this app right here literally connects all the radio FM around the globe, which is around the world, be it US, Canada, Europe, and even all the African countries. So now this app right here is being created or built using Gemini and Antigravity in VS Code right here. This app has more than 10k downloads right here on Google Play Store, and this app right now is literally be published inside this year, which is few months ago. With just this 10k plus download right here, this app might be making a lot of money from video ad in AdMob. You can use this calculator to calculate your app earnings right here. This is the amount of USD that you have to be expecting per 1,000 views right here if you literally be using AdMob for your app. Now, let me get you step by step on how you can do this using AI, even if you do not even know any line of code. So, if you're just coming across my video at the first time, my name is Welly, and the video that you're about to watch right here is just what I'm doing. So, subscribe and follow and like this video. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Say hi, Welly. Let's get started. So, head over to Chrome browser, go ahead and search for Stitch. Then make sure you go ahead and sign up an account on Stitch. It's totally free with your Gmail. Then make sure you are on this model right here, which is 3.1 Pro. Then go ahead and paste this prompt. So go straight to Gemini AI. So in this place, make sure you are on Pro version or probably 3.5 Flash. So any one of them will work out. So just go ahead and paste this prompt, and then just go ahead and edit the name right here and put in the name of the app that you literally want to create. So not just putting the name of the app right here, go ahead and explain how you want the app to be functioning. This is right here. This is what we just want, which is yes, it's absolutely possible. Now go ahead and scroll down, read through what the Gemini AI told you. The next thing you have to do is just for you to go ahead and paste this prompt again, just like this. So just make sure you go straight to this my profile. You see all the prompts right there. Then go ahead and change the name right here from this name to the specific name of the app that you want to create. After then, you go ahead and click on submit. So this is right here. This Gemini AI have created a prompt for you to design the UI UX design right here. So copy everything just as I'm also doing it right here. So after that copy it, go straight to a new tab. Go ahead and search for Stitch AI just like this. On your Stitch AI, go ahead and sign up an account with your Gmail address. It's totally free. And then go straight to this place. Make sure you are on Gemini 3 Flash or 3.5 Pro, just like this. Then just make sure you are on app right here. Then go ahead and paste the prompt right there that you copy from Gemini AI. Then just go ahead and click on generate right here. So this is right now. Stitch AI have started the work. It is generating or creating the UI UX design right here. Take a look at it. So it's on work. Let's just give it a while. After everything is successfully generated, go ahead and highlight everything just like this. Then go straight to this place that says export. Go ahead and click on it. Then firstly, go ahead and scroll down to say .zip. Go ahead and export it to zip firstly. And then also go straight to the export again. Go ahead and click on it. Then go straight and click on AI Studio. Click on build with AI Studio right here. And then it will take you straight to another tab. So wait for it. Everything will be imported right here. All the files, which is the HTML and the image, will be imported right here on Google AI Studio. So what you just have to do right here, go ahead and download the HTML file right here. Don't download the image. Only go ahead and click on each of the HTML just like this. Then go straight to this place and click on download. Then do the same thing with all. Then head over to new tab right here. And then go ahead and search for ChatGPT. So this ChatGPT right here, that is what we'll be using. Then go ahead and click on the plus icon right here. And then go ahead and click on add photo or files. So to take you straight direct to your download folder, go ahead and add all the HTML folder right here. Then just go ahead and highlight all the files right here that you download from Google AI Studio. So click on open so you can open them on your ChatGPT. Then go ahead and paste this prompt right here. Take a look at the prompt. So go ahead and literally click on send prompt to ChatGPT. So go ahead and copy all this master prompt that ChatGPT generates for you. So head over to Antigravity just like this. Go ahead and click on File. So just go straight to this place where it says New Window. Wait for Antigravity to literally bring out a new window for you. Then you just have to go ahead and click on Open Folder right here. And then go ahead and click on Download. Then look for the folder. This is the folder that we literally have to import. To import it, you just have to go ahead and unzip this. So to do that, go ahead and click on it right now. And then you click on unzip. So this is the main folder right here. Go ahead and remove all these ones right now. You can just leave them alone just as they are. So if the folder is available right here on anti-gravity, just like this, go ahead and click on this place right now. Make sure you are on Gemini 3.5 Pro High or any of the available free modem right here, which is AI model. Then go ahead and click on this place, paste this prompt right here, the prompt from ChatGPT. So just go ahead and click on send right here or submit so that anti-gravity can literally get to work and do everything for you right here. So before you go ahead and click on send, just go straight to this place right here. Go ahead and search for each of the HTML that is available right here on every folder. Go ahead and be importing them to the chat section and then do the same thing with all of them right here. So only the HTML alone. After then, go ahead and now click on send or submit. So wait for the anti-gravity to do its work perfectly. This might take a while. Just make sure you're patient enough. And if anything pop up that said yes or no or allow, always allow so that anti-gravity can have the full chance to literally create this app for you really good. So if anti-gravity have successfully done the first job, go ahead and paste this prompt to anti-gravity again so that it can literally do the next thing right here, generating APK and AAB for you to publish this on Google Play Store. Then wait for it to literally run everything on the background so that it can literally create the ABK file and AAB file for you, just as it is doing my own right now inside my PC environment. So now that anti-gravity have generated APK and the AAB file for us, now let's head over to preview this APK and the AAB on my mobile phone, just like as you can see right here on your screen. So if you want to get this your mobile phone right here on your screen, it is called emulator. So go straight to anti-gravity, tell anti-gravity that yes, install a light emulator for me to watch all what I'm building on the mobile phone. So connect your USB and then you will find it just like this as my own is. So now go straight to the folder right here where the APK is on this place. Then go ahead and look for where the folder is just like this. So click on it right now, you will see where it says app. Then go ahead and click on build, you will see where it says output. Click on it right now, you see where it says APK. So you see where it says bundle. So we are going for APK right here. Then look at it on release. Then this is the APK available right here on your screen. So go ahead and run it on your phone right here on emulator. So click on copy or move. Then go straight to this place right here. This is your cell phone. So this is it right here available in your file manager. And then this is the internal storage. Click on it. Then go ahead and put it on any folder right here on your mobile phone. After then, go ahead to your mobile phone right here, emulator. Go ahead and click on file right here. Then just wait for a while for it to load. Go ahead and click on app. And then this is click on app APK file right here. You will find it at the beginning. So this is right here where it says release APK just now. Then just go ahead and click on it right now so that you can install it straight inside your mobile phone. So this it has already been installed. So you will find it right here on the list of your apps. This it right here. Click on the app so that you can check the app out. So everything is literally available right here, just as Stitch literally designed everything for us. So click on get started on this place right here so that we can check the app out. So this is the app right here, Worldwide FM Radio on this place right here. So now if you can click on export, you will see it here. Then you click on library, everything is literally available just as Stitch designed everything for us and anti-gravity AI literally built the app for us. So you know it is on a PC. I can't actually play any station for you to listen right here. There are a lot of stations available. You can even see, go ahead and search for any station right here, and then you will get the station anywhere around the world that the station is. So if anti-gravity have successfully built the APK and the AAB just like this for you, just go ahead and check out this AAB and APK file in your emulator, which is your Android emulator, which is this. Now, if you are looking for a way to literally install this Android emulator so that you can be using USB to monitor your mobile phone right here on your anti-gravity, just go ahead and click on this place right here. Just prompt anti-gravity with this prompt right here that I'm going to paste right now. Take a look at the prompts right here. Just jot it down so that you can literally input it into your anti-gravity right here, and then use it to install this kind of emulator that will be enable you to literally install this APK direct into your cell phone using your USB cable, and then you will be viewing all the app that you are creating. So this is the prompts right here. Go ahead and click on submit. You know, I will not do this right now because I already installed it. After you have literally installed this emulator, viewing all the APK, how the app works, if you are satisfied, go ahead and go straight to the next step. But if you are not satisfied, go straight to this place again. Tell anti-gravity what is wrong with the app, what the app is literally lack of,
and how anti-gravity can literally improve app for you. So make changes right here. After you have finally arranged the app and the app is literally working successfully, so go straight to add mob, which is this. So now this add mob right here, which is this one right now, this ad mob is literally the platform that will enable you to display ads inside the app. So if people are using your app and then watching video ad using this ad mob, connecting everything through this ad mob will literally pay you, because ad mob is owned by Google. And then how can you literally post and promote your app into the internet? So that's where this Google Console account come in, which is this Google Play Store account. So you have to sign up an account right here on Google Console account. So just search for Google Console, sign up an account. It's really very free to sign up an account right here. And you can literally pay 25 USDT as a developer fee for Google to literally verify your account right here on Google Console account. So I will guide you step by step firstly on how to implement Google AdMob ad into your app right here that Antigravity have literally generated for you or created for you. Now, let's head over to Google AdMob firstly, just like this. So click on this right now so that you can actually sign up an account on Google AdMob. So to sign up an account in Google AdMob, it's literally very easy, just like ABCD. Now, just head over to Google AdMob just like this. You will just go ahead and link your email address in this. So at the end of the day, you literally have yourself just like this. Make sure you get your account verified and your payment profile verified before you literally go ahead and do anything right here. So this is my own right here. This is just a new account. Okay, so I'm just using this for this tutorial purpose. Now head over to this place right here where it says payment right now. So you will see where it says payment information and verification. Make sure you get your account verified right here. So look at my own right now. So if your own is verified, go straight to this place where it says app. When you click on app right here, you will see where it says all app or add app or view all app. So click on this place right here where it says add app right here. It take you straight to this place right now. So you are about to add ads, which is video ad, into that app so that you can actually make money using AdMob. Now head over to this place. If you want to post your app on iOS or want to post it on Android, just go ahead and select any one of the choice. You know, we build Android app, we click on Android. So if the app is already published on Google Console account, just like this on this right here, which I will literally explain to you right now. So click on yes, it's already on Google Console account. So you click on continue. So they give you a link so that you can actually go straight to Google Play Store and then paste the link right there, the link of your app, paste it right here, and then just go ahead and click on search. The app will really pop up. So let me go straight and search for any random app on Google Play Store and then paste it right here so that you can see everything very cool and correct. But if you have not literally posted the app on Google Play Store already, if you have not posted the ad already, so go back, then click on no, the app is not listed on Google Play Store. The app is not listed on Google Play Store right now. So click on continue. And then just go ahead and fill in the name right here of the app. Then just go ahead and click on add app. So let me just fill in the name right here, which is, we'll just use a random app name right here. Let me just say video app. So now just go ahead and click on add app right here, which is on this place. Then just wait for it to load for a while. Take a look at where it says you have successfully add video add app. Now this is the step that you literally will have to take. So create a ad unit account, testing your SDK integration. Then after then, you literally go ahead and complete testing, publish your app, and go ahead and add the shop to your AdMob app. Then just go through and read everything right here and click on done. After then, everything will literally load up just like this. So go ahead and click on add ad unit just like this. So if you click on this right now, you literally find yourself right here on this. So there are a lot of ad units that you literally want to add. So this banner ad, stream ad, and reward ad. So just go ahead and select any one of your choice right here. You literally go ahead and select any one of your choice right here. You will literally find a way to implement it inside your app. So click on select right now. Then you will see this where it says add unit name. So add unit name right here. Then just go ahead and click on continue add unit. So let me just go ahead and input any add unit name right here. Let me also see video app right here. And then I just have to go ahead and click on create ad unit. So just wait for it to load for a while. You will take a look at it right here. This is the main component, which is the instruction that we literally need. So all this right here, we just need them to literally send them straight to Antigravity again. Then Antigravity by itself will literally implement all this add unit ID to our app. So to do that, there's a prompt for that. So wait, I will also give you the prompt right here. Now, if you can just go ahead and click on email instruction, Google AdMob will literally send email instruction for you on how to do all this right here. So now, just go ahead and copy this one, the first one right here. Then also copy the other one, keep them in your copy tab, or probably just be copy one by one. Head over to Antigravity just like this, then paste it right here in Antigravity right here. Or just go ahead and look for a notepad PC or in your smartphone. So let me just go ahead and arrange everything right here in my notepad right here. So let me just paste the first one right here, and then this other one again, which is the add unit ID. Let me copy it again and then go straight to my notepad right here, then paste it right here. Okay, so this is the prompt right here that you just literally have to copy this prompt right here. Just pay close attention to it. So just grab it right here in the video. Take everything straight to anti-gravity right here. So edit all these ones. So there are like 5 ads right here. So copy this first one right here. Then just go ahead and cut it, remove it here. So come straight to this place right here, guide using this ID. So now paste your ID right here from this place. So remove this one that is already available right here and then paste your own right here. So let me remove it right now. Paste your own right here. Okay. So after then, go ahead and copy the other one right here, which is the add unit. And then go ahead and look at this place also again. So just go ahead and paste it right here. So make sure you remove this one that is already available right here. Other ones you can delete them, or if you don't want to add more than 5 add, because all the templates right here instruction is to add 5 add units. Just read the prompts carefully. Okay, so I am left with this. Now let me do another preview so that you guys can actually see the prompts right here. I believe you have grabbed everything right here. Just go ahead and hit on send on this place. So when you hit on send right here, fortunately all the ads will be available displaying right here. So if your work is well done, go ahead and copy or save the APK or an AAB file. So after you have getting the AAB file, this is when you have to go ahead and post the app on Google Play Store. So this is it right here. Go ahead and search for this and make sure you click on this first link right here, and then you will find yourself inside the Google AdMob account.
Now that you are in this place, just go ahead and make sure you sign up an account with your Gmail account. Then make sure you go ahead and select this organization account or a company business account. So I will advise you to literally create an organization account due to what I literally passed through while I was creating my own account, because you must need 12 tester, I think 14 tester, and I bet you that will not be that easy. So just go ahead and create an organization or a business account using a business certificate in your country. So at the end of the day, you go ahead and create a DUNS number, which is a US-based business profile. So DUNS number, people literally charge for it, but normally it's literally free. So if you want a DUNS number for free, you can literally contact me. You can only just pay for my time. Okay, so now head over to this place, click on business right here, then click on get started right now. So this is it right now. The DUNS number is literally needed right here, and then a phone number is needed. So just know that yes, a normal Gmail account is also needed, and a payment profile right here. So take a look at it. A charges of 25 USDT is applied. So this payment is just to verify you as a developer. So I bet you right here that this 25 USDT, you will not regret it. Okay, so you also still need a website. To create a website, you can use a free website, which is also a Google site. Yes, you can use it. Okay, so I will not literally process all this right here because I don't literally want this video to be that long, and you can just go straight to YouTube and watch tutorial concerning how you can create Google Console account, publish your app on Google Play Store. There are a lot of tutorial concerning that. So now let me just literally go straight to the next step right now, or probably. So now I want to end this video right here. Bye bye for now. Peace out.